Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey into the realm of some truly gigantic animals. Creatures so massive, they dwarf our everyday perceptions of the natural world. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of the rainforest, we'll encounter animals that defy expectations, leaving you utterly astounded by their sheer scale. Get ready to be amazed as we reveal the surprising size of these gentle giants. Prepare yourself for a captivating expedition into the world of wildlife where size truly does matter. We'll uncover the secrets behind their impressive stature and unravel the mysteries of their evolution. So, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through this unforgettable exploration of the animal kingdom's most awe-inspiring behemoths. Our journey begins in the vast expanse of the world's oceans, a realm teeming with life both big and small. But few creatures capture the imagination quite like the ocean sunfish, a true leviathan of the deep. Imagine, if you will, a fish so massive, it resembles a colossal swimming pancake. That's the ocean sunfish, a creature that can grow up to 10 feet long, with some individuals tipping the scales at over 2,200 pounds. These gentle giants are a sight to behold, their enormous, flat bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. Despite their size, they pose no threat to humans, feeding primarily on jellyfish and other small creatures. The ocean sunfish is a testament to the incredible diversity of life in our oceans, a reminder that there's always something new and astonishing to discover beneath the waves. Sunfish earned their name from their peculiar habit of basking at the surface, their enormous bodies soaking up the warmth of the sun's rays. Scientists believe this behavior helps regulate their body temperature after deep dives in search of food. These gentle giants are a truly global species, found in tropical and temperate waters around the world. Despite their wide distribution, much about their lives remains a mystery, adding to their allure. Observing these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is a privilege, a humbling reminder of the sheer scale and wonder of the natural world. Their slow, graceful movements and placid nature make them a favorite among divers lucky enough to encounter them. So, the next time you find yourself gazing out at the ocean, spare a thought for the ocean sunfish, a true giant of the deep, gliding silently through the blue. We now journey from the ocean depths to the lush rainforests of South America, home to a creature that's as peculiar as it is impressive, the giant anteater. While they may appear small and unassuming in pictures, don't let that fool you. These fascinating creatures can reach astonishing lengths, with some individuals measuring over 7 feet from the tip of their snout to the end of their bushy tail. That's longer than many sofas, and certainly longer than most people are tall. Their most striking feature, of course, is their long tubular snout, perfectly adapted for their specialized diet. This elongated appendage houses a sticky 2-foot-long tongue, capable of flicking in and out of their mouths up to 150 times per minute. But what are they using this impressive apparatus for, you might ask? Well, the answer lies beneath the surface, in the bustling world of ant and termite colonies. The giant anteater's remarkable snout is a highly sensitive instrument, equipped with thousands of olfactory receptors. This keen sense of smell allows them to locate ant and termite nests with astonishing accuracy. Once a nest is located, the real feasting begins. Using their powerful claws to tear open the nest, they deploy their sticky tongues, lapping up ants and termites with incredible speed and efficiency. Despite their formidable size and claws, giant anteaters are surprisingly docile creatures. They prefer to avoid confrontation, relying on their size and camouflage to deter predators. Their conservation status, however, is a cause for concern, as habitat loss and hunting threaten their populations. It's a stark reminder of the importance of protecting these fascinating giants and their rainforest home. And now, from the vast wildernesses of the world, we journey to the more, shall we say, domesticated corners of the animal kingdom. Here we encounter a creature not often associated with gargantuan size, the rabbit. Yes, indeed, the humble rabbit. But don't let its fluffy exterior fool you. We speak, of course, of the Flemish giant, a breed that takes the concept of big bunny to a whole new level. Imagine, if you will, a rabbit that could rival a medium-sized dog in a staring contest. These gentle giants can reach a staggering 2.5 feet in length, their ears alone stretching out like velvety banners. And their weight? Well, let's just say you wouldn't want one of these fluffy fellows settling down on your lap unexpectedly. At up to 20 pounds, they're heavier than many a house cat. Their size is, in part, a testament to their voracious appetites. These are rabbits that take their salads seriously, consuming vast quantities of greenery with an enthusiasm that would put a lawnmower to shame. But don't let their size intimidate you. Beneath that impressive exterior beats the heart of a rabbit. They're still remarkably agile for their size, capable of surprisingly nimble hops and bounds when the mood strikes them. And speaking of striking, have you ever looked into the eyes of a Flemish giant? Those deep, soulful pools reflect a gentle intelligence that's hard to resist. They're known for their calm temperaments and affectionate nature, making them surprisingly popular as pets. Of course, owning a rabbit of this size isn't for the faint of heart. They require spacious living quarters, a constant supply of fresh vegetables, and perhaps most importantly, a healthy dose of patience. But for those willing to put in the effort, a Flemish giant can be a truly rewarding companion. And who knows, you might even find yourself needing to invest in a larger hutch. From the realm of domesticated giants, we venture now into the untamed wilds of the north, where a creature of truly awe-inspiring stature reigns supreme. This is the domain of the moose, the undisputed monarch of the northern forests. Towering over the undergrowth, a bull moose in his prime is a sight to behold. Imagine a creature standing 7 feet tall at the shoulder, its massive antlers reaching skyward like the branches of some ancient gnarled tree. These majestic animals can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, their powerful bodies built for navigating the dense forests and icy waters of their northern homes. Their hooves, broad and splayed, act like snowshoes, allowing them to move with surprising grace through deep snowdrifts. And those antlers, oh, those magnificent antlers. Spanning up to 6 feet across, they're not just for show. These bony crowns are the ultimate symbol of dominance, wielded with surprising agility during the annual rut, when males clash in a battle for breeding rights. Despite their imposing size and formidable weaponry, moose are generally peaceful herbivores. Their days are spent browsing on leaves, aquatic plants, and bark, their massive bulk fueled by a surprisingly vegetarian diet. But don't let their gentle nature fool you. A mother moose protecting her young is a force to be reckoned with, and even a seemingly placid bull can become aggressive if he feels threatened. Their size alone commands respect, and their presence in the wild is a testament to the raw power and majesty of the natural world. To witness a moose in its natural habitat is to be reminded of the awe-inspiring scale of nature's creations. So, the next time you find yourself wandering through the northern forests, keep your eyes peeled and your ears open. You might just be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of these gentle giants, the true kings of the northern wilderness. Our journey now takes us from the cool forests of the north to the steamy heart of South America, where we encounter a creature that defies expectations. This is the domain of the capybara, the largest rodent on Earth. Imagine a rodent the size of a small pig, low-slung and surprisingly rotund. Capybaras take the concept of big rodent to a whole new level. Their stout legs and webbed feet are built for a semi-aquatic lifestyle, allowing them to move with surprising agility both on land and in water. Capybaras are highly social animals, living in large groups. These groups are a flurry of activity, constantly interacting and grooming each other. They're also accomplished swimmers, using their webbed feet to propel through water, often seen interacting peacefully with other species, sharing their space. Picture yourself lounging by a riverbank alongside these gentle giants. Ah, the leatherback sea turtle, a creature that embodies the vastness and mystery of our oceans. They are the largest of all living turtles, dwarfing their land-dwelling cousins. These magnificent creatures can grow to over 6 feet long. That's longer than most humans are tall. And their weight is even more impressive, often tipping the scales at nearly 2,000 pounds. These ancient mariners gracefully glide through the water like living submarines. Their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers allow them to navigate vast distances. They can dive to incredible depths, sometimes plunging more than 1,000 feet below the surface in pursuit of jellyfish. These gentle giants are a vital part of the marine ecosystem. It's up to us to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for generations to come. The bald eagle, a symbol of strength, freedom, and the American spirit. Beyond its iconic status, this majestic raptor is a creature of surprising size and power. An adult bald eagle can measure over 3 feet long, but it's their wingspan that truly sets them apart. These magnificent birds can have a wingspan of up to 7.5 feet. When they spread their wings, it's like watching a majestic flying fortress take to the skies. Perfectly engineered for soaring, they ride thermals with effortless grace. With a few powerful flaps, they can lift their impressive weight. Equipped with incredibly sharp eyesight, they spot prey from astonishing distances. And once they've locked onto their target, they swoop down with incredible speed and precision. So the next time you see a bald eagle soaring overhead, appreciate the true scale of this magnificent creature. From the soaring heights of the bald eagle, we descend now into the undergrowth to the hidden world of insects. And here in the forests of New Zealand, we encounter a creature that seems straight out of a science fiction film. This, my friends, is the giant weta. Now, most people think of insects as tiny creatures easily crushed beneath a shoe, but the giant weta defies expectations. This is an insect that can grow to the size of a sparrow, with some individuals weighing in at over an ounce. That's heavier than a house mouse. Just imagine encountering this gentle giant crawling across your path. Its sheer size is enough to make you stop and stare, and its appearance is equally striking. With its long, spindly legs, armored exoskeleton, and powerful mandibles, it looks like something out of a prehistoric jungle. But despite its intimidating size and appearance, the giant weta is a relatively harmless herbivore, feeding mainly on leaves, fruits, and fungi. Now, you might be wondering how an insect could evolve to be so large. Well, the answer lies in the unique environment of New Zealand. You see, New Zealand has been isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. This isolation has allowed unique species to evolve, filling ecological niches that would normally be occupied by mammals. And in the absence of larger predators, the giant weta has flourished, growing to sizes that would be unimaginable elsewhere in the world. Their large size is also an adaptation to the cool, temperate climate of New Zealand. Larger insects have a lower surface area to volume ratio, which helps them conserve heat in colder environments. And because they are cold-blooded, they don't need to eat as much as a mammal of similar size would. So, the giant weta is a fascinating example of island gigantism, a testament to the power of evolution to shape life in unexpected ways. And now, we journey to the land of Oz, Australia, and the lush rainforests of New Guinea. This is the cassowary, a flightless bird with an air of prehistoric majesty. Atop its head sits a bony crest, like a helmet worn into battle. Its powerful legs can deliver a kick capable of stunning, even killing, a potential predator. Armed with a dagger-like claw, this bird is not to be trifled with. A feathered gladiator, it reigns supreme in its domain. We descend now into the depths of the ocean, off the coast of Japan, where we encounter a creature of both beauty and terror, a denizen of the deep that can grow to truly monstrous proportions. This is the Nomura's jellyfish, a pulsating behemoth that can dwarf a human diver. Imagine, if you will, a giant mushroom, its bell or canopy, a vast, translucent dome trailing a curtain of tentacles that can stretch over 6 feet long. These tentacles, armed with millions of stinging cells, are a formidable defense against predators and a hazard to unsuspecting fishermen. These gelatinous giants are not merely large, they are incredibly heavy. Some individuals can weigh as much as a fully grown lion, drifting through the water with an almost ethereal grace. It's a mesmerizing sight, but one that also inspires a healthy dose of caution. For within those seemingly delicate tentacles lies a potent venom. While not typically fatal to humans, a sting from a Nomura's jellyfish can be incredibly painful, leaving behind a burning sensation and welts that can last for days. But the true spectacle of the Nomura's jellyfish lies not in its individual size, but in its sheer numbers. Every year, vast swarms of these gelatinous giants, known as blooms, appear in the waters off Japan. Imagine, if you will, millions upon millions of these creatures pulsating in unison, a living wall of stinging tentacles. These blooms can stretch for miles, clogging fishing nets, damaging equipment, and even capsizing boats. It's a phenomenon both awe-inspiring and disruptive, a stark reminder of the power of nature. Scientists believe these blooms are becoming more frequent, possibly due to factors like climate change and overfishing. As we continue to study these enigmatic creatures, we gain a deeper understanding of the delicate balance of our oceans. So, the next time you encounter a jellyfish, remember the Nomuras. It's a reminder that even the most seemingly simple creatures can hold a certain majesty, a testament to the boundless wonders that lie hidden beneath the waves. From the soaring heights of the eagle's flight to the hidden depths of the ocean floor, we've journeyed far and wide to encounter creatures that defy our expectations. The natural world is full of surprises, reminding us that size isn't everything, but it certainly can be awe-inspiring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about these surprisingly large animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.